really had no idea. Even foreplay was like not understanding that it was not when we met in the bedroom. Foreplay starts all day outside the house, and I didn't have that understanding when I was younger.
Right.
But now, you know, going through certain classes, learning things in LCD, reading, taking different little courses and things, you know, videos and things of that nature for relationships, and talking and communicating. Right. She was listening to her, telling me what she needs, so that she can be, you know, where she needs to be mentally and physically for that moment, and not just going through the motions. You know, because real talk, guys, we don't really need a whole bunch.
We don't.
Just
need time and space.
We don't really need. That's all we need. We don't really need a whole bunch. We don't.
And being free to talk and still love God.
Right.
We still saved, we still sanctified, we still filled with the Holy Ghost. But for me, I know that God created sex. Okay?
That's what
He created it, and He gave us the gift of an orgasm.
Right.
So why are we trying to act like we can't talk about it and it's taboo and, you know, hey, you know, come on. You know, so, you know,
meanwhile, the pastors is having affairs.
Let me sit.
Right.
Okay.
The leadership is struggling, you know, and we're not talking about it.
We're not talking.
But we're not talking about it. But there's things that the secret stuff is going on.
It's going on.
You know,
That's
going
correct.
on.
That's correct.
Because we're not talking about it.
Right.
You know, they're having healthy relationships, and their relationships are struggling because they're not talking about how to properly engage in that level of intimacy. So So we've kind of made it our mission to facilitate safe spaces. You know,
that's good.
For marriages to talk and hear and share, you know, without being vulgar or anything. It's not about that. It is about the freedom to say, hey, listen, before you walk away or before, you know, you get frustrated because you feel like there's nowhere to go to talk to this degree.
Right.
Our eyebrows are not raising.
Right.
You know, they're not raising. I will hide things in the bathroom, and I'll act like I'm going to the bathroom and come out, pow!
Well, come
Well,
on.
let me see you just be fumbling.
You know.
Where remote?
Remote be flying all across
everywhere.
Everywhere.
Right. But I thought of that in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay. And so I put my stuff away in the cabinet underneath.
Come on.
Because I knew tonight.
Right.
I'm going to surprise my man.
That's right.
And I ain't let the devil turn me around. Ain't gonna let nobody turn me around. Turn me around. Turn me around. Okay? Ain't gonna let nobody. So I already knew. You know? Yeah. So different things like that. That's how it has kind of evolved. Because for me, it is a blessed ministry to be able to minister to my husband.
Come on.